Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope so you all will be fine. I'm your teacher of class playgroup. Our subject is English. Today we have to do task of day 6 till day 10, in which we have to read book page number 13 to 16, and we have to do workbook page number 35 to 37. We have to read Sound English book page number 3 and 1000 book page number 10. Let's start the task of day 6 and day 7, in which we have to read English book page number 13 and 14. In this page we have to do revision. Let's start. A ant, A aeroplane. Beaver, banana, beaver, bus. Seeker, candle, seeker, clock. Deeder, dog, deeder, duck. Elephant, envelope. Frog, fire. Now we have to match the letter with the picture. Envelope. So you will match E with envelope. Beaver, bus. Beaver, bus. Here we have to match it with bus. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. We have to match it with aeroplane. Deeder, dog. Deeder, dog. So we will match D with dog. Is it clear? Dear students, now take out your English workbook. Here we have to do page number 35, in which we have to practice letter A till letter F. Let's start. Here we have to practice capital letters A till letter F. Now I will tell you the formation of letter A. Draw a slanting line, then again draw a slanting line, then a slipping line on the second line. This is letter A. This is letter B. Draw a straight standing line, then a half circle in first two lines, then again draw a half circle in next two lines. This is letter B. This is letter C. We have to join dots by making a curve like this. This is letter C. Draw a straight standing line, then a half circle in between first three lines. This is letter D. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then a slipping line on the third line. This is letter E. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. This is letter F. Next is match and write. First we have to write. This is letter D. D makes the sound D. 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 This is letter E. E makes the sound eh. This is letter F. F makes the sound F. F. Now we will match it with deeder, doctor. Deeder, doctor. Elephant. Elephant. Frog. Frog. So my dear students, you have to complete this page number 35 like this. Next we have to do page number 36. Take out your workbook and let's start. It's story time. I will tell you the story about letter G. The title of story is Irresponsible Guard. Gul Khan is a school guard. Are you looking at this picture? A man is standing over there. He is a guard. He should take care of all the boys and girls in the school, because it is the responsibility of school guard that he must take care of all students, all boys and girls. But he is not responsible. One day he was enjoying eating grapes. Jigar, grapes. A stranger opened the gate and entered the school. Is it a good thing? Was the guard responsible? Yes or no? No, he is not a responsible guard. If teacher is not in the class, do you take care of your things? Yes or no? Yes, we must take care of our things. So you have to mark tick on yes. Dear students, here we have to recognize, trace and write letter G. Now I will tell you the formation of letter G. Make a curve like C. Very good. Touch it to the second line, then draw a standing line till third line. This is letter G. Again I am telling the formation. Make a curve like C. We have to write down on the dots. Then touch it to the second line, then draw a straight standing line till third line. This is letter G, and G makes the sound G. G, G. Take out your English reading book and open page number 15 and 16. Here we have to recognize a new alphabet, that is letter G. G. Which letter is this? This is letter G. G makes the sound G. Jigger, guard. Jigger, guard. Jigger, gate. Jigger, gate. Jigger, grapes. Jigger, grapes. Jigger, girl. Jigger, girl. Dear students, now you have to do practice of letter F in your notebooks. Take out your notebooks. Let's start. This is letter F. Firstly, you have to draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. This is letter F. Again, I will tell you the formation of letter F. Draw a straight line, then a slipping line on the first line, then again draw a slipping line on the second line. This is letter F. By doing this, you have to complete this page. Let's start the task of day 9. Here we have to do practice of letter E and F. Let's start. Draw a straight line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then again draw a slipping line on the third line. This is letter E, and E makes the sound Eh. Now you have to write down F. We have to do practice of letter F. Draw a straight line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. This is letter F. Again I'm telling you the formation of letter E. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then a slipping line on the third line. This is letter E. And then again draw a straight line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. This is letter F. By doing this, you have to complete this page. Now it's time to do task of day 10. Take out your English workbook. Here we have to do page number 37. I will tell you the formation of letter G. Dear students, today we have to do practice of new alphabet, that is letter G. Recognize, color and write. This is capital G. This is lowercase g. G makes the sound G. G, 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 G. This is letter G. Jigger, grapes. Jigger, gate. Jigger, gate. My dear students, you have to do gray color or any color in gate. Okay. Firstly, make dark outline, then fill light color in it. Is it clear? Now I will tell you the formation of letter G. Make a curve like C. Good. Touch it to the second line. Then draw a straight standing line till third line. This is letter G. Again, make a curve like C. Touch it to the second line. Then draw a straight standing line in between second and third line. By doing this, you have to complete page number 37. You have to do very good work. It's time to read Sound English book. Open page number 3. Here we have to recognize pictures that starts with letter F. F for finger. F for finger. F for fan. F for fan. F for 5. F for 5. F for fish. F for fish. F for frog. F for frog. F for 4. F for 4. F for foot. F for foot. Now it's time to read 1000 picture book. Take out your 1000 picture book. We have to read page number 10, second half. First picture is of pocket. Okay, which picture is this? Pocket. Next is sherwani. Next is sherwani. Next is sunglasses. Next is sunglasses. Next picture is of khusa. Which picture is this? Khusa. Next is Peshawari chappal. Peshawari chappal. Next is swimming goggles. Swimming goggles. Last picture is zip. Zip. Hope so you have learned and write task of day 6 till day 10. After finishing your work, you must say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.